Hello Meltz fans, how you doing? It's been a while since I've gotten on to do a special sandwich, even though we're always doing features here at Meltz. So this is another featured sandwich that we're excited to do. It's our little riff on what we're calling a sweet, spicy Hawaiian pizza. So for any of you pineapple lover pizza guys out there that love that combination between the Canadian bacon and the pineapple, not one of my personal favorites, but this sandwich is bomb. And it's particularly spicy because we're using habaneros in the pineapple sauce. So what we've started right now, just to make the video a little faster, is just we got a little pepper jack, mozzarella, and provolone on the sandwich, and that is beginning to melt. Now we're gonna add our spicy homemade, make this right in house, our spicy tomato basil sauce. And this actually, something we've been making since the opening. You can order this as a dip. We char the tomatoes, the onions, and then we combine roasted garlic, all kinds of fresh basil in there. It's beautiful. Right? Then we're going to actually get a little of our pepperoni going. We're going to get that crisping on the grill. A little pepperoni. And then our Canadian bacon. Remember, this is our version. We're not going classic here. We're kicking it up a little bit, Meltz style. So we're going to get our pepperoni here. We pre-render this pepperoni, which gives it that really crispy quality that I like in pepperoni. Something that's super, super rendered and gets really, really crispy. Now, in addition to that, we're going to add our this is our pulled pork. So you got 3 meats on this sandwich. Pretty bomb, pretty bomb. 3 meats on the sandwich. We're going to spread that out like this. Nice, tons of pulled pork. Now this we're just putting a quick sear on. That's good enough right there. A little quick sear. We don't want to get it too rendered on the Canadian bacon. Just want to get it nice and hot. Put that Canadian bacon right here. I don't know, first time. I think we're going to go 2 more slices of Canadian bacon. That's going to be 6 all day. So now we're going to add our Hawaiian barbecue sauce. It's really a Kahlua kind of pork thing. It's very smoky, soy-based barbecue sauce that they use in Hawaii. We made it here. It's from another sandwich we've done here before, so it's our recipe, but it's got that smoky soy flavor. So we're going to add that onto the pork. Quite a bit of it. We're just going to take this and slide it down here to our little bit of our folder section. Canadian bacon. Now see how crispy? This is what I love on a pizza. It's like that really rendered crispy pepperoni. That has a special flavor. Very different than somebody, I don't know if you've ever been to those pizza places that put the pepperoni underneath the cheese. I don't get that. So now it's like crispy little bits of pepperoni all on there, right? And now we're going to add our pickled jalapenos to kind of add a little bit of this spicy factor. we're not going to just overwhelm it with jalapenos. We just want to dot the sandwich, what we call dotting the sandwich. So you get little explosive, acidic pickled jalapenos. It's great for cutting the fat of the cheese. And now the star of the show. The star of the show, our house-made habanero, chunky, spicy pineapple sauce. It's kind of chunky, it's got some zip to it, it's spicy, you got the pickled jalapenos, you got the pepper jack, you got the habanero, so you got a lot of spice going on. And that's pretty much the sandwich. We're just going to make sure everything is beautiful looking there. 3 meats, 3 sauces, extreme. That's how we do it here at Meltz. You can get this in a half or a full combo. Not available on DoorDash or Grubhub. You'll have to call that in. Or you'll have to come in. So there she is. Now we're going to give it the close. Oh yeah. Give that a little press. Oh yeah. My mouth's starting to water. Just a touch darker than I'd love it to be, but sometimes that happens when you're going live, you know. It's part of the process. You're trying to time everything. Still way above grade as far as quality goes. Still totally edible and servable. We don't always hit it out of the park, but we try. So that's pretty much the sandwich, guys. The sweet spicy. Now we're going to give it the little cut. Get in there, mama. Look at that right there. You see that? Doesn't that look delicious? Then we're going to come on over here. We're going to go for the plating action. All that pineapple coming out. Again, if you like the sweet spicy thing, there she is. Look at that baby. Looking good. All right, let's get in there. You know, this is my favorite part. This is what makes owning a restaurant so good. Ooh, yeah. That's what we call chasing the cheese. Oh, right away, get that nice heat. It's a nice heat. It's spicy, but it's not like you couldn't do it. A little messy. This one's a little messy because it's got those three spices. Real quick, just so you guys know, we have a new app. It's been out now for about 6 months. Make sure you don't have the old app. Download the new app. We've been giving away a lot of gifts. So you want to make sure that you're signed up for that. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you see those. Like we just did a buy one get one free on the Burger Bomber. We've given away a free Border Patrol. We've given away free chips. So we're trying to reward a lot more of our loyal customers. So make sure you have the app. Also, National Grilled Cheese Day is on the horizon, April 12th. If you're a Meltz Mob fan, we're getting new cards in. So that's coming up. Also later this month we'll be redoing the floor back here. That's in April, end of April. We're going to be redoing the floor, so Meltz is going to be closed for a week, so look for that. So, new sandwich, guys, launched today. It's called the Spicy Sweet Hawaiian Pizza. And come on in and get one. I'm going to finish up this sandwich.